Let's make the Zombie Tentacle from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start with the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. It's going to be 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. Then, 3/4 ounces of lime juice. 3/4 ounces is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice. Again, 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 an ounce of orange curacao, and that's what the recipe specifically calls for. I don't have any orange curacao, so I'm going to be using an orange liqueur. Use what you like. 1/2 an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup, and I do make my own cinnamon syrup. The recipe is here on the channel, feel free to check it out. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And 1/4 ounce of grenadine. And I say and like this is the last thing, it's not. 1/4 ounce of grenadine, I make my own, recipe here on the channel. This is a 1-to-1 grenadine, the recipe calls for a 2-to-1, that means use that recipe and cut the sugar in half. Anyway, 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And the recipe calls for 2 dashes of absinthe. I do not have a dasher top for my absinthe, and I'm not just going to try to free pour that in here. I'm just going to put in like 3 drops, maybe 4. See how that does for us. And 1 dash of Angostura bitters, maybe 2. The first dash was kind of weak. I'm going to add my ice and give it a shake. Now I'm going to grab some more ice because I just put it all in the shaker. Now I'm going to fill my Collins glass with ice. Good. And I'm going to strain the drink into there. Oh, that looks just about perfect. Finally, the garnish. The garnish is a mint sprig. The mint that I can find is pretty weak, so I'm going to try and wake it up. And weak meaning it's kind of floppy. It's not the most attractive mint, but it'll have to do. And a straw. And there you have it. The Zombie Tentacle from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.